Now we will see how to download your first practice image set from the IASC website. After you have registered your software, please go to the IASC theme page. Once you are on your IASC theme page, scroll down and download the practice image set PS1 New Practice 2. The image set will be in the zip format. Extract the image set in C drive. Once you have done it, open your Astrometrica software.